Affiliate marketing ideas to increase your success. Affiliate marketing is a surprisingly fun and easy way to make some extra cash in this hard economy. If successful, it can even become your primary source of income. But if you are interested in starting an affiliate program, you might not know where to start or you may have questions. This video tries to answer some of those questions and guide you to success. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, be sure to clearly spell out the benefits of the product in your video. Don't expect your readers to do the legwork for themselves based on your recommendation. Tell them directly why they should buy the item and they're more likely to do it. As an affiliate, checking on your visitors, sub-affiliates, and sales totals is all very important information to know. The company you choose to offer your affiliate services to should have a thorough list of statistics they voluntarily offer to you. You must track of your entire campaign, otherwise, it isn't worth putting one together. One good way to get help earning commissions is to employ a text service. This help in writing text is becoming popular among affiliates. It gets information to customers about the products they sell. Choose your affiliate marketing product with care. You should only choose products that you can actually endorse and that you know something about. If you are passionate about fitness and health, that is the niche your product should come from. If you know a lot about dog training, your products should be chosen from this niche. Choose affiliate marketing categories that you are familiar and comfortable with. If you love books, choose affiliates that sell books. If you would rather get a root canal than pick up a book, you should avoid those affiliates. Familiarization with a category increases your ability to make good choices about ad placement. To push your affiliate marketing programs to their highest level, you should try to keep the content of your page up to date and write about things that are still relevant even if it is from a year ago. Someone who finds outdated content on your page as a first impression may be lost and never come back. There are thousands of affiliate sites on the web, but only a few are relatively successful. The most important aspect of affiliate sites is your personal involvement and effort. If you follow these tips to improve your sites persistently, then you will surely see a huge difference between your site and others. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.